In the last video, I showed you how I used 13 different AWS services to build my dream journal, Oneiras.com. The feature I wanted the most, though, wasn't really available until Nano Banana came along. And of course, I had to try it. I spent about a couple hours to integrate it into the dream journal, and luckily I did have a dream last night, and this is what showed up as my photos. But what I actually wanted to show you today is first how much it costs, and whether there is any difference between uploading all the files to Google first and then just referencing them in your requests, or if you could just send them with every request and generate these images. Lastly, how many images does it take to generate a good result? We're gonna go to this Nano Banana POC. First, we have 5 image files, and the reason there are 5 image files is I found that one just doesn't work as well, and we can test it here in a second. Here's what they look like: my front selfie, my full, I guess, body size, though it's at an angle so I look a lot fatter, then right side, back, and the left side. Now we got 5 input images. First thing we're doing here is uploading them to Google with the file upload, so we could actually just reference the same files if you want to generate images from the same input files. In addition to just generating things, we're gonna calculate request costs, save images from the response, test whether submitting the same images with every request is any more expensive than uploading them first and referencing them. If you run docker compose app -- build, it's going to rebuild the image and run this file. And so we can just start looking. Looks like me, pretty much. This guy, it's a little not like me. And then I guess you could consider it me. This looks like the request that we are uploading every time. For per request, you can see that this guy looks about the same. The cost is about 4 cents. And it looks like it doesn't matter which approach you use. You may want to upload the files first to reduce the risk of them not being uploaded with every request, but it looks like we are still consuming the same amount of input tokens regardless of which approach you're taking. If you just used a single image, for example, just this one, we'll see how much different the result is. With just one reference image, it looks nothing like me whatsoever. This guy, I guess, looks a little better, and this one looks slightly better. As you can see, there is a significant difference between me using 5 different reference images and just one. But if you do look at the cost again, it looks like the cost is about 0.2 of a cent cheaper. So it's really negligible, and we determined the pricing based on the Gemini developer API pricing. The input price is about 30 cents per 1 million tokens, whether it's text to image, and the output is about 4 cents for the image. If you are into dreaming, then sign up for oneiras.com, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video.